Good morning from Busch Gardens Tampa. We're here for one last roar on the legendary roller coaster Kumba. Weather's looking pretty good so far. Fingers crossed. There's a little storm in the distance, but clear skies over on the side of Busch Gardens. So, all right, it's 9:51. Park opens in 10 minutes. So we might get one clean ride before this nasty storm rolls in. That's all that matters. That's the goal. Anything after that is bonus points. All right, we are in the park. I see an elephant and I see Kumba. We are making a mad dash over there. Well, we're really power walking. It looks like we're actually getting held right here though. I don't think we're able to go any further than this point right now. I wonder if going the other way was gonna be faster. We shall see.
A few moments later.
All right, the rope has dropped. Got the action camera on me today, so hopefully get some sick POVs of Kumba. It's a little bright right now because of the overcast and rain. Oh, this is where Scorpion used to be, right over here. I wonder what they're gonna turn this space into. All right, we're ready to go. Busch Gardens is wasting no time at all. They already got a sign out here for the replacement. That is so cool. All right, we're here bright and early. All right, we gotta go get a locker and put you guys up. We'll see you at the top of that lift hill.
Woo. Kumba is a legendary steel sit-down roller coaster at Busch Gardens Tampa. Opened on April 20th, 1993 and manufactured by Bolliger Mabillard. It stands 143 feet tall, reaches a top speed of 60 miles per hour, and features 7 inversions.
Just got off 2 back-to-back rides on Kumba. It's really smooth. Like whatever they did recently, the refurbishments, it's so much smoother. Ride still rips. Wasn't like super slow this morning either. Like I've heard that that's a complaint typically, but it was ripping.
You can probably still hear it roaring too.
Yeah, we're pretty far away. We kind of got away so we could like record a little audio, so it wouldn't be like ripping. I don't remember this ride like screaming from the side of the park. Like I can hear it from the other side of the park. Is what I was trying to say. Like as we were walking up through where Scorpion was, I could hear it all the way across the park, and I was explaining. I was like, dude, it sounds like a jet like passing over you, to where like you hear it in like the opposite direction. You look and it's like it hasn't passed yet, kind of thing, or it already passed. It's kind of crazy.
It's such a good ride. But yeah, this is the final day of its operation, and we're glad we're here to say goodbye.
A few moments later.
Oh, here we go.
Okay, just got our final ride on the legendary Kumba. Back row is absolutely elite. I know I was saying it earlier that the front row, it's a front row ride. It's a front row type of ride. Maybe for Montu, I don't know. Montu kind of rips in the back too, but Kumba was a totally different ride. I felt like I was riding a whole different roller coaster. It didn't help too to like add on to that. Is like it was raining, so you're going 5-10 miles an hour faster, or at least it feels like it.
Like I've said before, rain rides are the best kind of rides. You just,
yeah.
It's just a different ride experience. It's slightly a little bit faster, or it feels faster. Who knows, honestly. But it was a great send-off to Kumba.
I just seen everyone here today too. Like all the enthusiasts are out. All the roller coaster people are here today. 2 guys that were in our row with us on that last ride, they just randomly linked up. They did not come to the park together, but they knew each other because of their love for roller coasters. And they're like, "Hey, dude, what are you doing here?" "Oh, I'm here. My friend didn't want to come because they don't like this ride." And I was like, wow, that is so cool to see that. And just the vibes are just amazing. So many people are here because of the roller coaster, and it's so cool to see that. I think this is probably our first time really like documenting and being here for a final day of an attraction. But yeah, I can't put into words. I'm kind of lost for words. That was so good.
We met a lot of really cool people today, so shout out to y'all. We appreciate it, and thanks for watching the channel. I mean, yeah, I think after...
that's another thing too.
What?
That's another thing I just thought of too, is the amount of people that were like, "Hey, are you 2 together? It's just 2 in your group?" Or, "Hey, is there a single rider open? Let me jump 1 row ahead of you, or 1 train ahead of you," right?
Yeah.
The amount of times that happens, it doesn't happen at Universal and Disney. I mean, it's just a different culture. But yeah, we're gonna start heading home. We got a long travel ahead of us, 2 hours, and we're pretty tired, to be honest. I'd love to chain ride Kumba, but that was the proper send-up, I think. I don't think it's gonna top that.
Yeah. All right, we're home. We had a pretty fun day.
Definitely one for the books. We're gonna remember this for years to come. And honestly, I think we were just having so much fun today that we totally forgot to film that we took our picture today in front of the little mural, whatever you want to call this, little photo op they had for us.
It's a great little keepsake for sure. Like I've loved Kumba ever since I was a kid and got to experience it for the first time. Me and Luce have like went back and forth of like what's better than
What our favorite sit down.
You know, like Kumba or Hulk. And Luce was always Team Hulk, and I've always been Team Kumba. And after today, I think Luce might be...
I'm just a sucker for the launch on Hulk. And like after today, I was like, wow, you know, I really have to appreciate the compact, consistent layout that Kumba is. Maybe it's just recency bias, or riding a little bit in the rain in the back row. That was really good too. So got to get some rides on Hulk very soon. That'll be the new comparison. But yeah, Kumba's going to be one to remember for years to come. I mean, it was the first of its kind from B&M. So yeah, and there's only like, what, 5 or 6 total? Well, now 5 because Kumba is officially closed.
Yeah.
But dang, that is just theme park history, if you want to call it that. Maybe not like the most happy, optimistic thing, you know, because I know some people are very upset that the coaster's gone. But who knows? They already got a box out front for Kumba's Revenge, and we will be there whenever that comes.
I mean, that's all we can do is be hopeful, you know, and we're in this weird timeline of things closing.
So many of the parks are, so many of the theme parks are changing. Rides are closing, new rides are opening, rides are getting rethemed, reimagined. So yeah, a lot to look forward to in the future.
But yeah, that's pretty much going to be it. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more just like this one, and we'll see you next time. Bye.